Dharmendra, are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah. No, yesterday our topic has completed up to the creation and implementation project enable offering, right?
Correct.
So now I'm going to tell you about that currency. How do we, why do we using the currency? Okay.
Okay.
So our
What's
username
about
is,
the Arun and Reddy?
sorry.
Arun and Reddy, they are not joined to the
No,
call?
they are joining Monday. They want to
Okay.
be join in morning section. Okay.
Morning 6. So,
Yeah.
okay.
Mm.
Okay, fine.
So Oracle 00, our username and password. Oracle 00.
Morning 6 o'clock. 6
No,
to
no,
how much?
7 to 8.
7 to 8.
Yeah.
7 to 8 difficult. If you join the morning 6 o'clock, then fine for me.
No, no, not for me because
Indian morning, correct, no?
sorry.
Indian morning time.
Yeah, Indian morning time they are connecting 7 a.m. to 8 a.m.
Okay, 7 to 8.
Okay, chalo. Now I'm going to connect this one. I have login this one.
Mhm.
So what is the purpose? Now here onwards I will show you the what is the purpose currency we are using. Is it mandatory or not? This thing we need to keep in our mind.
Okay. Can you share your screen?
Yeah. Are you able to see my screen?
No, that is the default page is display only. Oracle SR-HD2.
No?
Now, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now I'm going to tell that
Currency.
this
Okay.
one. Now here onwards I need to keep this for. Okay.
Mhm.
So like it's a mandatory or not, it's optional and purpose and scenario and issue. Okay. These
Okay.
5 things we need to keep in our mind. Okay.
Mhm.
Every time. So each topic you just every time you just assume it. Okay. Is it mandatory or not? First thing. Second thing, is it optional or mandatory?
Mhm.
Second,
Mhm.
third one, what is the purpose we are using?
Okay.
So it might be understand easily whether it is mandatory or optional. Okay.
Correct.
So it is mandatory currency. It's not optional. Okay.
Mhm.
Optional we need to keep as it's optional. No, no, not optional. No optional. Okay. And purpose to access the credential. Okay. To like what we need to be like currency is mandatory. Okay.
Mhm.
Scenario I will tell that issue it when we are getting stuck and we have an issue that time we can show you. Okay.
Mhm. Okay.
It's not going on. Here it's not going pop up the window. That is what I'm scanning here. Okay, no
Okay.
issue. So at the time of we are going to create this one. So we should uh, now we are going to start for calendar. Okay, what is the
Hmm.
purpose of we are using calendar? Okay, calendar is nothing but a date and timing, right? Date. Okay,
Okay.
so now I have created first what a user and implementation. Then after we need to assign this role. Okay,
Hmm.
and enable the offering. Then we have created a user but currency but not required. Okay, most
Okay.
often when I come to the primary ledger, that time I will show you directly. I can enable the currency. Okay,
Okay.
remember this thing. Okay, now I'm going to create the calendar.
Hmm.
Now calendar provides only date for day-to-day business transaction. Okay, calendar, there
Okay.
are two types of calendar. One is accounting calendar, another is transaction calendar. Accounting calendar is nothing but it's a mandatory calendar which is used to record day-to-day business transaction. Okay,
Hmm.
accounting calendar who will use most ofly, for example, I will tell you the example. Okay, if I say that you easily understand. In our India, most of the time what we will do in India, what currency we will use most of the calendar, like our like year end project, like year end, like March to April, right?
Hmm.
March to April.
Right. Hmm.
So we use different calendar. I will tell that calendar name. March to April. So, and US,
Hmm.
they
Jan
use,
to December.
sorry,
Jan to December.
excellent, yeah, Jan to December. So our ending, like project in project, like ending period is only for March to April. Here
Correct.
US January to December. Okay,
Hmm.
but we follow our standard only as depend on you. Okay,
Hmm.
so there are two types of year in Oracle. Like accounting calendar, there are two types of year in Oracle. One is calendar year, another
Hmm.
fiscal. Fiscal year, most of the Indian people, they Indian policy will use 1st April to March 31st. And
Hmm.
calendar year most often used for like overall like US and another also like 1st January to 31st December. Okay, we can use it.
Hmm.
So now there are two types of calendar. I tell you what is the transaction calendar. Now you got it. This one accounting calendar has two types. Like there are two types of year in that.
Yes.
Under the accounting calendar, there are two types of years in Oracle. One is calendar and fiscal. Now remaining the transaction calendar. What is the purpose we are using? And one more thing, calendar can be created two-way, manual and rapid also. Okay,
Hmm.
manual I can show you how to create the manual also. Rapid, after a certain topic I can show you how to create the rapid also. Okay,
Okay.
and we do have option up to 365 periods can be defined in accounting calendar. And
Hmm.
example, we can create 2 hours, 2 days, 4 days, and 1 week and 15 days or 1 month. Depends on your client requirement. Okay,
Okay.
accounting calendar I'm just telling. Now coming the transaction calendar. Transaction calendar it is used to average balance process feature. Okay, it will be
Hmm.
determine which day working day, which day holiday in your organization. Like for example, in your organization you're doing
Hmm.
XYZ company. Okay,
Hmm.
okay, some few of IT company, they have Monday to Friday, right?
Hmm.
So I just want to keep the enabling the checkbox when it has been started from Monday or Friday, or some certain like in Gulf country they started from Sunday to
Sunday
Thursday.
to Friday. Huh.
For example, Gulf country you can take. Okay, they
Hmm.
start from
Sunday
uh,
to Tuesday.
sorry,
Sunday to Tuesday.
Sunday to
Tuesday.
Thursday. Okay,
Monday, Tuesday. Thursday, Thursday.
why?
Sorry.
Because Friday, Saturday they are
Monday,
taking
Tuesday.
holiday. Based on
Holiday.
that, we can perform. Okay. As you know, India or foreign abroad, US, they use same like that. Monday to Friday till
Friday. Hmm.
now. I can show you the how to create that accounting calendar first. Okay, accounting
Hmm.
calendar. Same as first we need to click financial reporting structure. Okay.
Hmm.
Then click on manage transaction calendar. Okay,
Okay.
I just remove this currency. I just click percentage, manage percentage and calendar.
Hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
for example, I was doing in suppose different way. Okay, functional area,
General
different
ledger.
functional area. Okay, but I can search by clicking this one.
Hmm.
Look at here, manage accounting calendar. You got it?
Okay.
Sometimes we guys are not remembering navigation, so easily you can come here and suppose
Okay.
keep it this anywhere. Just
Hmm.
mention here itself first percentage,
Manage.
manage, yeah,
Okay.
and percentage, and
Percentage.
no need to write
Correct.
calendar, no
Calendar.
need to write all calendar. Just
Hmm.
give three words calendar or anything if you're going to create. Okay,
Okay.
look at here. You got it?
Hmm.
Now
Understood.
click on that. Again, we are in that place. We are in that place. Eh? Have you gone through this one? When we are searching here,
Hmm.
once you click here, it will show
Manage.
the function areas here and there, right?
Correct.
So
Right.
now we need to click here, manage accounting calendar. The first step, first we need to create the place button. Okay.
Hmm.
What is your calendar name? Okay.
Hmm.
Now I'm mention the name Oracle INR. Okay. Sorry,
Hmm.
accounting Oracle calendar, because there are only specific, only limited here words we can enter them. Okay.
Okay.
Sometimes no need to write more, only enough. You are Oracle user and mention CAL calendar. If you
Hmm.
want more words, you can write here. Look at
Hmm.
here. Only up to this mark, only you can take like how many words? Total 6 words is taking after our
Okay.
Oracle.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
Better we need to keep here, sir. Enough.
Correct.
Yeah. If you want to keep more name here, you can write here calendar. Description take here. Okay.
Oracle calendar, financial year, or fiscal,
Yeah.
whatever we need.
This is a accounting calendar. Okay.
Oracle accounting calendar. Okay.
Okay. First name, then description optional, and start date is mandatory. Okay.
Okay.
We can keep in January 1st. Okay. At the time we are opening, that we can show you over there. Okay. Here we can mention
Hmm.
over there. And monthly wise, it's how you want to create the calendar. Most often we can define monthly wise, right? Calendar can define monthly wise. You are getting salary monthly wise, right? Now, so format how you want, like in fiscal year, in calendar year. Okay. Now I'm
Hmm.
taking calendar year wise. Okay. So yearly we do have 12 months, right?
Correct.
So in 12 month, suppose after your completion of project yearly wise, so year last month of 12 month, we are closing the periods, for example. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
We are closing year last month of December, total 12 months, right?
All right.
So I'm closing period. Okay.
Hmm.
Year end. So that time what happened? Some issue is there in payables and some other modules. I could not able to close the period. Okay.
Uh,
So vendors, some customers, they could not able to make payment. Some they could not able to. For that reason, one adjustment period is there.
hmm.
Okay,
Hmm.
I will show you next. So for
Okay.
that, I am going to show you the adjustment period also. Okay, so we can't able to close that last month. For that reason, we want to be one adjustment period. Okay, that is
Hmm.
called once at year end. Means that is a total 12 month, right? We are, if
Correct.
you keep this one, it will be show on another month also extra. Okay,
Hmm.
if
Hmm.
I keep to this one, okay, it will show 2 month adjustment.
Okay. Okay.
I will show you by selecting one at
Hmm.
this one. Click on next. Okay,
Okay.
see here. So total how many months? Up to December. Okay.
Up to
So
this
why
one
it's
one.
given? For adjustment purpose, for trial balance, any of them. Okay. If you want to
Uh,
adjust, because December is not a properly closing. So finally we can decide it. We can able to close in adjustment period. That is in extra adjustment period 13th. Okay.
Okay.
Year only to 12 months, but we are taking adjust once since year. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now I am going to take back, but I could not able to close in last adjustment period. But I want to be take another month. Okay, 2 month.
Mm-hmm.
So I just taking 2 month twice at year end. Okay.
Correct.
So in that time also we could not able to close. Then again I am taking another adjustment. But
Huh.
most probably in real time only they take only one adjustment year. Okay, month.
Okay.
They
Okay.
won't take 2 months because already if you going to do delay this one, they might get
Mm.
trouble and losses the company process. Okay,
Okay.
so
Okay.
better they do only yearly once.
Once. Okay.
For your knowledge purpose, I'm showing. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
once at in year.
Whatever is possible, you can show that.
Yeah. So once at year in we take and select this one. So our
Mm.
calendar will be created. Okay. Then
Okay.
save and close. See this one. All adjustment.
Okay.
This is the period name, year, and period number, quarterly started in date. Okay.
Mm.
So now we want to close and save and
Mm.
close.
Correct.
So our calendar has created. So what is our calendar name? Oracle for
Yeah. Serial calendar.
yes.
Oracle underscore. That
This one.
represent.
If you are unable to find this one anytime, you just mention
Mm.
Oracle. Why I am creating with Oracle? From
Mm.
starting onwards, we are created with Oracle. Just remember, okay?
Mm. Okay.
Sometime 000, right? Our calendar, the username.
Username.
Yes. But
Mm.
here,
Oracle we are considering as a project.
yes, right. You can click again, see this one. Okay. So
Okay.
we have click on that one. So click on done. So calendar has completed. So now I'm going to show you the what is transaction calendar. Okay.
Mm.
Accounting calendars are done. Okay.
Mm-hmm. You have mentioned your path, correct, na?
Sorry.
Path is already in documented.
Yes. Whatever I have created that I
Navigation
mentioned
path.
here. Sir. Okay.
Okay.
So navigation also I mentioned here.
Hmm.
So these are the navigation. Anytime suppose you forget by seeing this, you can either
Correct.
video or my document. Okay.
Correct. Correct.
Now what I'm going to create next transaction calendar.
Hmm.
Transaction calendar. Now same like this. Okay. What is the navigation? I forget the navigation. Okay.
Hmm.
I want to be
Ah.
just
Okay.
mention percentage and manage and T
Hmm.
capital first RN. Then enough, more enough.
Hmm.
Search it. Okay. Sometimes you might be get confused. There are similar also word also there. Okay. If you not
Hmm.
findable, first see this one. Okay. And what is
Got it.
the transaction calendar? Where is it? It is not available. Need to click on all. Okay.
Hmm.
See this one. Accounting calendar is there now.
Yes. Manage accounting calendar.
Here the manage accounting calendar nearby here transaction. So better what you will do, you can mention sometime full name also.
Okay.
Look at here. You got it?
Understood.
Yeah. See this. We are in the place to transaction calendar. Now click on that.
Hmm.
Click on place button.
Hmm.
Now what is our transaction calendar? Oracle 00 also you can mention and transaction up to that taking. Okay. But we
Okay.
want to full name in description
Hmm.
transaction.
Oracle transaction.
So now how you want in Gulf country wise, yeah, Indian, yeah, US level. Okay, Indian and
Hmm.
US both are same using same level.
Hmm.
If you want to keep like Thursday onwards, Monday, Thursday, like Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Friday you want to holiday, and Sunday
Hmm.
you want to work. Okay, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday. Okay,
Hmm.
so Friday, Saturday holiday for what? Gulf country. Now we
Got
are
it.
going to create for what? Indian as a
First is
standard.
Indian, another is Gulf.
But we are creating for what? As a
Indian.
India.
Hmm.
So I need to select all and keep holiday for Saturday and Sunday. If you
Something.
disable this one, it's assume it's a holiday. Okay, Saturday, Sunday.
Okay.
Okay. Now US standard US and India has created. Okay.
Hmm.
Generate. Click on generate calendar. Now see this one. So
Hmm.
1st January, first date. Okay, business day. Monday,
Hmm.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday,
Then
Friday is working. It's
Friday.
showing
Hmm.
checkbox right.
Correct.
Remaining Saturday, Sunday, it's showing
Holiday.
okay holiday. You just assume it.
Non-business day. Hmm.
Yeah. So another I am we can create it again same like this
Hmm.
in Gulf level. Okay. Click on save and close. Now I'm going to create this another one. Okay, Gulf level for
Hmm.
knowing purpose. Okay,
Hmm.
Gulf. Okay.
Hmm.
So now
Gulf transaction calendar. Hmm.
now how you we want like I want to select all Friday, Saturday, holiday.
Hmm.
Fine. Now
As
click
per
on
their
generate.
concept.
Click on generate. This is one generating the for Gulf purpose. Okay.
Hmm.
Look at Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Saturday, Thursday,
And by
Friday.
default, this is generated for the first of to, okay, from
We
12 month.
Yeah,
Correct,
this
no?
is our 12 month,
Hmm.
but
Okay.
here specifying the days, which
Hmm.
days working days, which days holidays. Okay, Monday,
Okay.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, it's working. Okay, I
Hmm.
have created for your reference. It is a Gulf transaction calendar. Okay,
Correct. Correct.
but we not required already is more enough to create the accounting calendar. Okay,
Hmm.
so here Friday, Saturday, holiday. Okay,
Hmm.
okay, this is our topic. Okay, so click on save and close and done.
Okay.
So the transaction we have done in two way transaction calendar and accounting calendar, right?
Right.
Right. So now we have done this two topic. Now come to the chart of account value sets.
Hmm.
Value set, what is the purpose we are using, that I will show you. Okay,
Hmm.
this topic you got it, I think, right?
Yeah. Before going to the chart of account, could you possible to explain me the concept of chart of account?
Yeah, yeah,
What is
yeah. Before the
the topic?
before going to chart of account, these are the mandatory topic I'm going to say. I'm
Yes.
explaining. After
Yes.
that, you can come to this. After like creating the value set, then creating the chart of account key flex field, then we can able to create the chart of account structure and instance. After
Hmm.
creating value set only, we can able to create chart of account structure with
Yes.
key flex field. Until unless
Hmm.
I can't go directly chart of account. Okay.
Right. Right.
Hmm. These are the sequence which I mentioned. These are
Hmm.
the
Hmm.
sequence.
Oh. Hmm.
Yeah, for
You are
that
mentioned.
reference only I'm just giving you.
Good. Good.
Yeah,
Very nice.
okay na?
Yeah. I'm fine.
Okay. Now next topic is chart of account value set.
Hmm.
Now what is the purpose I'm going to create? I need to mention that also. Okay,
Hmm.
this is also mandatory for us. Okay. So what is the purpose we are using? Is it mandatory or not? Okay.
Hmm.
Whether it is mandatory, it's optional, or what purpose? Same as it is. Same all. We need to be keep like that only. Okay.
Okay.
First value set. What is the purpose we are using? Okay. Is it mandatory or optional? And scenario issue will tell you. Okay.
Hmm.
Value set nothing but it will determine the future of segment values. Means like there are five types of value sets. Here this is a R12. These are na this left
Hmm.
set, this independent dependent pair non. This is a R12 basics. But in
Hmm.
Oracle Fusion there are five types of value sets. Okay.
Okay.
Before I'm going to do practical, I just want to explain you theory. Okay. For that I'm telling. Value set
Yes.
nothing but it will determine the future of segment value. Why we are using okay value set? Value set we have five types of value set. One is independent, dependent, table, subset, and format. Now why we are using the value independent and dependent tables. Okay, so if we are using independent value sets, okay, if it is validation type is independent, then we can create the segment value so that we can use value while entering the transaction. While creating the transaction, we can easily create the value sets. Okay, in suppose if we are taking the dependent value, we can't create the segment value. Okay, so I
Okay.
can show you that there. Okay, why, what is the purpose we are using, then we can understand. Okay,
Okay.
so first step what we need to do, the navigation, see this one, click on all tasks, manage chart of account value, and click on place, same as it is, there is no different. Okay,
Okay.
click on furnace and click on the all tasks. Next, now if you forget this one. Okay, so what you will do that time, same as it is, you need to keep
Value set.
value, you can mention percentage, it will be show, what it will be show, see this one, see this, manage chart of account
Chart
value
on
set.
value set.
Okay, click on that and we are in the place to click on that chart of account value set. Okay, so after we open, it will be show this one. Okay, but what where we are doing under the GL module, like general ledger, right? These are
Correct.
all we are performing under the
Under
general
the
ledger,
finance.
right?
General. Okay.
So these
But
all
generally we are selected the finance only, na?
yes, yes, yes,
So
that is
what
what
is
I'm
that
coming
then?
over there. Yeah, so under general we are going to create this all topic, right? Remember those
Right.
things. Okay, up
Mm,
to the
mm.
38. Okay, so
Okay.
now in model they are asking. Okay, so which model we need to select?
General ledger.
Yes, under general ledger there are a lot of who are already created over there. See this one,
Mm, mm.
see other people also created in
Okay.
here already, other
Creative general
persons,
ledger.
other. Okay,
Okay.
we can't identify because we did not create anything. Okay,
Mm, mm.
so for that now I'm going to create this one. Before creating, I will show the value set, what is the purpose, most of we are using in there. Okay,
Mm.
value set, it's in nothing but a, it will determine the feature of segment, it's in nothing but a building block of your chart of account. Okay, you ask me when you are going to create, before chart of account we need to create the value set. Value set, why we are going to create, because we want to be identified. Suppose for example in your company. Okay, in your company we
Mm.
are going to create a like we need to be show that in another way. One company, one is for what company, in our every time we are going to create the transaction, we have one company name. Okay,
Mm.
company name, another one what, nature, which account you are using. Okay,
Mm.
account, before we make the combination before we are going to create. Second, which operation, like business unit, where you have business, India, in where, Hyderabad, Bangalore, where you are India. Okay,
Mm. Mm.
another one like future, for in future what you are, suppose if you are going to add a new na, so that you can adjustable here. Okay,
Mhm. Adjustable matlab that calendar adjustment
no,
period.
this is not calendar, this is value set adjustment, that is different. Okay, no need to drag this calendar in here. Okay,
Mhm.
here according, like we are making the value sets values. Suppose if you are going to create one transaction, what
Mhm.
are those requirements means, first we need to keep one company. Okay, second
Mm.
is one account, third
Mm.
one where you are operating business unit. Okay,
Correct.
yes,
Mm.
business unit. So another one is future.
Mm.
Future, why we are, because in spare part, suppose if you are stuck, if you are like you are going to create another transaction, now you suppose you are business in India. Okay, in
Mm.
Hyderabad, under the business and India and Hyderabad, right? For example,
Right.
Now after certain period you're going to create in another operating business in Bangalore. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
but you already created this three. Okay, so
Right.
four also just adjusting purpose. Suppose I want to I was started in Hyderabad, right? This one HVD you are understanding, right?
Mm-hmm.
But I
Yes,
want
yes.
to be my business has in like increasing, so I want to be operate another business and I want to start business in Bangalore. For that I am just using as a feature as a Bangalore.
Okay, that is the location. Okay,
operating
okay.
operating operating operating
Operating unit.
Yeah,
Okay,
operating
understood.
units, yes. So in business, in e-business we can call operating unit. We here in business unit. Okay,
Hmm. Hmm.
for your knowing purpose I can write operating unit. Okay,
Hmm.
in Hyderabad and Bangalore
Hmm.
we can create depend on the client requirement. Okay,
Correct.
we can create depend, suppose if the client also using n number of also. Okay, for
Hmm.
example they are using business unit in Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai also. For
Hmm.
that we can keep as a additional feature like
Hmm.
feature 1. Okay, feature 1 and feature 2,
Oh. Hmm.
and we can keep 10 also, no issue, up to till 4 5, because might be his business, in nowadays his business is on peak.
Mm-hmm.
For that
But
reason,
feature is not a segment, correct, no?
not a segment, not a segment, not only for future purpose. Future we don't know whether there might be increased business or not. For knowing
Mm-hmm.
purpose I just
No.
added. Okay, but
Hmm.
one more enough, because after discussion our client, he said
Hmm.
only one enough, two enough. As per the client we need to add this one. If they
Okay.
ask 10, then we need to add the segment also.
Hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
value set. But company, which company you are using? XYZ.
Hmm.
So for
Correct.
that I am using XYZ for making value. Okay, and
Hmm.
account is mandatory. Which account using? Asset
Business account.
and liabilities, expenses,
Okay.
revenue. For that reason, okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
Business unit where you are going to operate in Hyderabad, yeah, Bangalore, yeah, Chennai. For that we can keep like that feature, or you can mention
Hmm.
over there. Okay, like that we
Hmm.
are going
Hmm.
to. For that reason we are using segment value. Okay,
Hmm. Hmm.
so no need to see this one, only this one only. Okay,
Hmm.
now I'm going to create the value set. Okay, so first we need to be enter our general ledger and model level. Click on place button. Okay,
Hmm.
yeah, I just click. Now what is your value set code? Here I will ask. First what I will do, Oracle, to identify for initial, right?
Hmm.
Oracle, uh, legal entity means nothing but a company. Okay,
Okay. Now you are creating value set or legal entity.
yeah, I'll show you here. I'm creating the company. Company nothing but a,
Correct.
it's a registered, right?
Right.
It's legalized company. Okay, company
Okay.
means nothing but a legal.
Legal. Okay.
Yes, for that reason I just mentioning here legal entity. I won't write full name. Okay, for your I can write for your purpose legal
Ah,
entity as a what company. Okay,
company. Hmm.
okay, same name description and we need to keep here itself also. And
Hmm.
before inside you want to know that it's coming from where, value set. Short form I can set in VS, value
Hmm.
set. Okay, this data
Okay.
coming, suppose after we are going to create the ledger chart of account,
Hmm.
we easily identify what is VS. VS means it's coming from value set, this name.
Value set.
Okay,
Okay. Okay.
same as it is description. Model, we are going to add ledger. Okay,
Ledger. Okay.
validation types total 5. Format independent, dependent, subset, table. Now we are selecting independent. Okay,
So
then
company is independent, correct, no?
yes, company. And characters we need to select because we are giving the
Company is a name.
text here,
Hmm.
value set of the text.
Hmm.
Now we want to the company size 001, yes, 002, 005. I can give the example
Okay.
0 1. For here we are giving, right? Here
Hmm.
size we are going to give maximum length and how much we want to give. 2
Hmm.
means it will be take 0 1.
Section one. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
If you are going to take 3, it will be
Hmm.
going to create 001.
Hmm.
Okay, so we are always we take first 2 for what company. Okay, if you want uppercase, anytime suppose if you are going to create na, it might take
Hmm.
before uppercase means like first take A capital remaining small.
Hmm.
So we no need to take anything, just keep in black zeros. Okay, now
Okay.
click on save and close. Now we have completed the company, so remaining what we need to create, operating, accounts and future, remaining 3 we need to create, right?
Right.
Click on save and close.
Hmm.
Again click on place button.
Hmm.
Again give the values for what, for account, yeah,
Hmm.
business unit. Okay,
Okay.
so better I can give the account. Okay,
Hmm. Hmm.
account, so legal entity nothing, it's completed, right?
Correct.
Account means natural account,
Okay.
I can tell
Only
you.
company is the legal entity,
Yeah,
correct, na?
yes,
Other than
company legal
company,
entity.
there is no legal
Account,
entity.
account nothing but natural account.
Natural account. So can we create it multiple legal entities?
Yes,
मतलब कि multiple.
depend. Suppose if you have not only one company, you have multiple
हाँ.
company.
Hmm.
Legality is nothing but a company.
हाँ,
Okay,
correct.
company
Correct.
balance segments. We can call in terminology fusion balance segments. Okay,
हाँ. Hmm.
so for that reason I just written here like this one, legal entity company, or
Hmm.
I can write the business also. Okay,
Hmm.
but here Oracle natural account I have already mentioned here, account, right? Account.
Right.
So now accounts means natural account enough for that. Okay,
Hmm.
see, now we need to copy this one same, and description module
Hmm.
GL.
Hmm.
Validation type is independent,
Hmm.
and characters, select text,
Hmm.
and how much we want to give the maximum, minimum length, maximum length is 3.
Hmm.
Here we given 2, right?
Correct.
001.
03. Hmm.
Okay, this one 2, right? We
Hmm.
can give this one. Total how many numbers are 3?
Hmm.
So I can give the 3. Now close and save.
Hmm.
Now I will completed. I want to create the business unit, nothing but a operating unit. Okay,
Hmm.
click on place button. Every time we need to click here also. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
so same here.
Hmm.
So what is your name, like operating unit?
Operating unit.
We can tell operating unit, or give the business unit. For this is also important. Okay, remember
Hmm.
business unit.
Okay.
Okay,
Business unit. Hmm.
copy this one.
Or we can mention in the chat, the description, correct, na?
Yeah, same description and model. Be careful, once it is created again we can't modify this one. Okay,
Oh.
Oracle has one time setups, remember this thing. If you
Hmm.
did mistake again we need to be get trouble, we are in trouble. Okay,
Okay.
so after we discussion the client and we can test in sense, then only we can move to the production. Okay, you know this
Okay.
one. Okay,
Right. Right. That one.
click on independent, click on characters,
Hmm.
then click on text, length as your wish, if you want to keep 2 3 4.
Okay.
Okay,
Hmm.
click on save and close.
4 means that is the 4 number only reflected, correct, na?
Yes, I will show
For
you.
business unit,
It will reflect.
Hyderabad, HYDB.
No, these 4 numbers will come. If you keep
Okay.
na, it will. I
Hmm.
will show you while you are creating the values also. That time it will show
Hmm.
you that. Okay,
Hmm.
where it is
That
affected, I will show
that
you this.
means that means we are putting the account number, whole account number. That 4 digit, last 4 digit will be displayed only.
Yes.
Correct.
No. Suppose if you
No?
are entering for company column, it will
Hmm.
come 01. If you clicking 001, it will come
Hmm.
0. Like if you're going to click account, it will
Hmm.
come 3 numbers. If you're going to
Hmm.
select business unit, it will come 4 numbers. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll see later.
Yeah.
I need to
So we are
understand.
done, right? That also.
Right.
So
Account we
now,
have done, company legal entity we have done, nature of account we have done, business unit we have done.
yeah. Now this is a future purpose.
Hmm.
Future what? Suppose if you are going to add another business, okay. For that we are using this as a that company.
Correct.
Spare purpose. We can call spare also.
Okay.
Independent characters, text. Now I want to click file. Okay.
Hmm.
Click on save. So now we have completed 4 value sets,
Correct.
right? See these
Right.
numbers.
Hmm.
You easily understand that time, okay?
Hmm.
Okay. Now we want to see my value set. Okay. How many value set I have created? 4.
4.
Oracle has created many peoples. So it's not showing. What is the reason?
Oracle we
No, no,
have
no.
put
I'll show you. Here we just mention only with name. We did not mention 00, right? For that reason, see Oracle Future Special Purpose,
Hmm.
Oracle Legal Entity,
Right. Hmm.
Natural Account, and
Hmm.
Oracle Operating Unit, like nothing but a business unit.
Hmm.
So if you are some other people have created, see Oracle 001. If
Hmm.
we
Hmm.
mention 001 here self,
Hmm.
look at
So that reflected accordingly.
if
Understood.
I mention 000,
Hmm.
okay, see this one. We
Same,
can
same.
we can just change the name as well, no issue.
Hmm.
Look at here.
Hmm. Understood. Oracle 000. Not reflected.
It's not coming.
Hmm.
Reason? Only one time it might be. Okay.
Okay.
See
Okay.
this one, Oracle. See.
That is it.
We have changed, but it's unable to. Here only description. But code also already taken. Look at here.
Correct.
I will show you again. Yeah?
Hmm.
This is a value set code. We are searching
Hmm.
with code also. But we change only description. Nothing will happen. If I search
Hmm.
with description, what will happen? We are finding with exactly
Hmm.
with Oracle name also. But we are trying to search with Oracle 001, but we can't able to find because already code
Hmm.
value set is like what means we can it's freeze. Like there is no option edit. Only general we have description we can able to modify. But there is no use. Okay. Close and save. So now we have done the value sets. So how many sets
Hmm.
we have created? Total 4 value set. One is legal entity,
Correct.
another one business unit. We can call
Nature
department
of
also.
account. Depend.
Operating
Nature of
unit.
account. No, no.
Sorry,
Department. Go down. Okay. Business unit we can call the department. Correct, no?
department or operating unit. Operating
Department.
unit it's called in e-business.
Hmm.
For your knowing purpose, I'm writing here
Hmm.
business unit, department or operating unit.
Operation.
Okay.
Hmm.
Now natural account.
Hmm.
Now we have created the natural account. Okay.
Hmm.
See here. Natural account also done.
Hmm.
Next, product segment. If you want product
Correct.
also we can
Hmm.
create. And
Okay.
future segment. We have
Okay.
created, right? The here
What is the product segment?
segment
Product.
same like product also in another feature segment like we can assume it
Hmm.
like that. Okay.
Okay.
Now our value set has done.
Hmm.
So up to that we have done now, right?
Correct.
Now you are asking me for chart of account, right? Chart of
Correct.
account structure. COA
Chart.
start CO stand for chart of account
So,
structure.
yeah, chart of account structure,
Yeah, I
correct.
can write here self to identify to I written for short name.
Hmm.
Okay,
Hmm.
it's nothing but a chart of account. Okay, chart of account structure. Okay, now I am going to tell you chart of account structure.
तो वैलिड सेगमेंट में लेकिन कुछ लिमिट वगैरह है क्या, कि वैलिड सेगमेंट क्रिएट करना है तो इतना ही क्रिएट करना है, इससे ज्यादा नहीं क्रिएट कर सकते हो?
Values we can define as per the client how much you want, that much we can able to create. There is
If
no
client
limit.
want to the 100,
Sorry.
if client want to create the 100 value set, so can we able to
No, no,
create?
no. That much never, no one can use. Only up to identify. Only 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to last mark 10. But
Okay.
you can create 100. There is no limit, I'm telling for that. Okay.
Mhm.
Coming to the chart of account. Okay. Chart of account structure. What is chart of account? What is the purpose we are using? Okay. That we need to keep here itself also. First thing we need to remember this thing. What is the purpose we are using chart of account? Why do we use? Okay, it is option or mandatory for what? Chart of account is a mandatory. It's not optional. Purpose why we are using. Okay, and scenario and issue I can tell you. Okay, chart of account nothing but its accounting structure of our organization. Okay, it will determine for account for business transaction. Okay, and chart
Okay.
of account will be defined using accounting flex field. uh, Maximum 30 segment we can able to define in chart of account, and minimum 2 segment which are mandatory: primary balance segment and natural account segment. Okay.
Okay. What is meant by primary balance segment?
Yeah, primary balance segment and natural account segment, I will tell you in that.
Mm.
Okay,
Mm.
in screen I will show you. These are mandatory. In chart of
Mm.
account we can define up to 30 segments. Okay, segment nothing but a building block of your chart of account, I told you before also. Okay, minimum, suppose if you are doing the value set, we are going to create 4, right? Okay,
Mm.
in there 4, 2 are mandatory. What was that? One is company nothing but a primary balance segment. Okay, account is there, right?
Right.
So account nothing but a natural account segment, I told you before also. There, here, natural account also there. Look at your account is there, we call natural account. Okay,
Correct.
in we have created over there in that also in this instance. What is the
Mm.
purpose we are using? Instance level. If you want to find same like that, you need to code. What is the code you have given over there? Same like that, right? I have mentioned here the account, natural account, and
Mm.
another one legal entity, nothing but a company. We can call primary balance segment. Okay, here the mandatory here, sir. You ask me now, chart of account. There are
Uh,
minimum 2 segment. We can define maximum 30 segment. We can define. Okay, in chart of account, but 2 are mandatory: primary balance segment and natural account segments. Okay,
mm.
for
That
that,
company is primary balance segment.
yes, your company is primary balance segment. Yes,
That we can create maximum 2 unit.
yeah,
Means
two
the two
minimum we can
company.
create two. For that, for creating chart of account, minimum 2 segment is mandatory. Which one?
Hmm.
One is primary balance segment, another
Primary.
nature. If you not
Okay.
added this any of them, one also, we can't create
Hmm.
the chart of account.
Chart of account.
Yeah,
Okay.
maximum we can create the 30 segment. I told you, company,
Hmm.
operating, account, primary balance segment, future, product. Future we can add 30 also, up to. Okay,
Okay.
but up to the 30 segment we can able to define, but here only 2 segments are mandatory. Okay,
Hmm.
now what is key flex field, what is the description flex field extension, I can tell you on that. Okay, first we can log in the chart of account. Okay, now you said you want to see the chart of account. Now we have come to the chart of account. Okay,
Hmm.
so these two topics you have understand, right? Calendar and chart, like currency calendar and chart of account value set.
Yeah.
Okay,
So I will ask later.
Yeah.
because I have some
So
doubt.
chart of account I can tell tomorrow because
Hmm.
these three table enough for that. Okay.
Yes, yes. Okay,
Starting
fine.
now. So
Hmm.
if I explain chart of account, it will be bounce to you. So better
Correct, correct. Hmm.
we can continue chart of account structure tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, fine, fine.
So meanwhile, I will give you the recorded video which I have recorded to you. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.